हेलो चिल्ड्रेन, आज हम पढ़ेंगे ABCD। उससे पहले जान लेते हैं कलर्स नेम। पिंक कलर, येलो कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, वायलेट कलर, ब्लू कलर, सी ग्रीन कलर, रेड कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, ग्रीन कलर। A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane. B for boat, B for boat. C for clock, C for clock. D for donkey, D for donkey. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for giraffe, G for giraffe. H for house, H for house. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jelly, J for jelly. K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo. L for lion, L for lion. M for mango, M for mango. N for nose, N for nose. O for owl, O for owl. P for peacock, P for peacock. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rose, R for rose. S for star, S for star. T for train, T for train. U for uncle, U for uncle. V for village, V for village. W for water, W for water. X for Xmas, X for Xmas. Y for young, Y for young. Z for zero, Z for zero. Once again, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.